Hello everyone, welcome back to PrepZone. This is Shubham from Team PrepZone, and today I have a very pleasant announcement for every student here. So this is a new surprise that I'm planning to release for every student, but at certain conditions. So watch this video, share it with all your friends, and start subscribing to the channel. This initiative is called as my PrepZone Giveaway. So I am planning to release all the important variants of topic-wise LRDI sets. Basically, this will cover arrangements, games and tournaments, and routes and networks. These are the three topics that I'm starting with. So these are the three topics for which I will share all the class videos of mine that I have taken live. Okay, so you guys will have access to all the videos that I have taken, particularly from arrangements, games and tournaments, and routes and networks. And those videos will essentially cover all the variants, all the possible type of questions that you can possibly see from these topics. And arrangements, games and tournaments, these are like conventional topics that has been occurring over and over again. Okay, so this LRDI support is what we are coming up with, and we will release these videos at no cost to every student. Okay, and what this will cover is, it will cover a total of 16 hours for now. Okay, it will have arrangements broken into three different videos: one for linear arrangement, circular arrangement, tabular arrangement. Then we will have games and tournament, which will have videos worth 5 hours, and then routes and networks. Okay, so all the convention, it will be a very good revision, I'll say, and these videos will be on YouTube. So you can try to fast forward the videos, like and you can try to solve the sets, pause the videos, you can fast forward it, you can increase the playback speed as per your convenience, and this will be very, very helpful for every student. Okay, and but yes, nothing comes for free, and nor does it. I'm not taking any charge from any student for this. I'll release it at absolutely no cost on the public YouTube channel, but only thing that I need in return is, currently we are sitting at 2.32 subscribers, and I want this number to be at least 3.5K. I'm not coming up with a very unrealistic target ki yaar 5-10,000 subscribers kar do. No, my only target is that at least if we're working hard, we want to reach out to maximum aspirants, maximum students, and I'm sure most of you guys are already there in groups. WhatsApp, in almost 10 WhatsApp group, हर WhatsApp group में 250 लोग होते हैं, तो 2,500-3,000 लोग तो ऐसे ही हो गए. Then you are in multiple Facebook groups, etc., etc. ठीक है, so I only need a net delta increase of 1.2K, 1200 subscribers extra चाहिए. So target is to have at least 3.5K subscribers, and the moment we reach this number, I will release the videos at absolutely no cost. Okay, so what you have to do is, you have to share this video link with your friends. You have to ask them to subscribe to the channel if you want these free sessions, else I may not be able to release it at no cost. Okay, so yeah, that was it. This was the main agenda for this video. This is what I wanted to communicate. I'll probably release it in a week or maybe 10 days. Okay, so October 19th is my birthday, and I'm planning to release and have this giveaway as a birthday giveaway. Okay, on 19th of October. But you have 10-11 days. Share this video with as many friends, as many groups, multiple times. Ask your family members, ask anyone. We don't care who the subscribers is, but the number has to reach to 3.5K. Okay, so with this, I'm really hoping that you will support PrepZone and our cause, because we have been working on a lot of important videos, important events for every student at no cost. So let's make it worth for both you as well as us. Okay, with this, I'll just say you a goodbye, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye. Have a good day, and please share and start subscribing to the channel.